I don't think we've ever done an unboxing video on this channel before. This Wednesday, I've got a update video coming, which is going to be all about all the things that that are currently out or about to be out or when things are going to happen. And one of the things I talk about in there is the producer of Amityville Pool Toy Massacre built me a website, which I'll put in the link below. But one of the things he said is like, "Oh, we're going to do merch." I was like, "Oh, cool! All right, that's awesome." And I know I had a Teespring before that a couple people bought from, so he moved stuff over there. But unboxing video, we got sent a box. I had it the other way, and then I was like, "Oh wait, then you degenerates will know where I live." So he didn't tell me what he was sending me. I'm gonna open this up. My trusty knife here. So we got a Schlock sweatshirt, it looks like. Oh. Oh, wow. This is really nice. Schlock hoodie. Nice, nice quality. It's a large. Good, really nice printing, too. Usually the ones you get from like a Teespring or something, you can see where like the black transparent is behind it. I really like this. I'm going to put this on and wear this for the rest of the day. I'm more of a hoodie guy, like zip-up hoodie, but this is too nice. It's too nice not to have my logo on a sweatshirt. That's pretty dope. Plus, we just have a great logo, you know? And then we've got... He showed me this. I thought this was pretty funny. Till they sue us. Schlock and all, but it's the P-Hub logo. That's pretty nice. I like that a lot. Where can I wear this? I can wear it on set, but like, you know, other places people are going to be like, what the, what? And then the third one is the Amityville Pool Toy Massacre shirt with the poster on it. That's pretty dope. I know we did two versions of this. I know we did another version that's the got the credits at the bottom too. It's more distressed, like grindhousey one. But he sent me these, and yeah, come on, man. Who doesn't want? I'm bad at these. This shirt. This actually looks really cool. My buddy James Dean, who did Triple Xmas, did shirts for Triple Xmas of the poster, and I love that shirt. A, I like that I'm on a t-shirt, but also just like I like having movie merch of shit that I worked on. So I'm gonna link the website down below, and you'll be able to see you know what we're working on, and then the merch stuff will be up next. But this stuff all looks really nice. And you know, it's not like cheap crap that you would see. And when we get the other website up, we're gonna have a lot more merch over there as well. I know that for the website we have now, he's working on like tumblers and stuff like that. I know we'll be doing pins. I know we'll be doing stuff for the comic book over at the other Schlock site, and then we'll marry the two together. But I just wanted to show you guys the stuff that's here, and my first unboxing video, and it gave me an excuse to show my knife on screen. Did I ever tell the story about this knife? It has nothing to do with anything. Last year when we were shooting Pool Toy, my buddy Race came from he was living in Arizona at the time. He's down in Mexico now, and he gave me a knife just for, you know, defense, because I get into a lot of knife fights, like tie our wrists together like in the Beat It video. But so I had that, and then I was seeing this girl last year who's a go-go dancer, and the club she was working at was in Philly. It's not a great area in Philly, so I gave her that knife. I said, "Here, just have it, just to have it," because she didn't have anything for protection. And then we had these two dudes got into an altercation out front of the theater. I think they were coming out of the auto body shop next door, and the one dude pulled the knife, and I slammed the door on his hand. He dropped the knife. The guy ran off. The cops came out, all that kind of stuff. And the cop just said, "Here, just hold on to the knife." So I've just had the knife ever since. So I don't know. I don't know what that has to do with merch, but this stuff is pretty awesome, and you'll be able to get your hands on it soon. And I definitely want to see if you buy anything from us and you wear it out in public. Let us know so I can share it around, and I'm not gonna put my face on T-shirts like the dude I used to work with, but it is cool that that Will, the producer, thinks enough of this operation that he thinks we should have merch stuff. So I'm gonna take down the Teespring site if that already hasn't been brought down. Because I don't know if that company's even still in business, but he moved everything over there for now just so we can get stuff up until we figure out what the grand plan is, and then you guys will be able to buy Blu-rays and all kinds of crap. So yeah, man, thank you, and I hope you guys will check this stuff out.